What's up, guys? It's Gunner with SN Media, and today we're welding 2 exhaust pieces from Advanced Auto Parts onto my 2000 BMW Z3.
It's already recording, man. Hell yeah.
The rest of these welds down here are dog shit.
Completely else.
But this one, look at that bad boy. That shit is incredible. Just look at that one right there. Those are some clean welds right there. The muffler ended about right there. So that's right where we cut it off. Came out to the tips. It was duals, and it was gonna be duals, but this is very last minute. So we got a 2.5 to 3 inch adapter and a 3-inch pipe. That's definitely not a tailpipe, but it looks fucking sick.
That's not how it works. No, you always do that. I'll be up. I'll be like this, like I'm 4 and you're 3.
Yeah,
so
but you won that. You won that.
No, because you said this is chicken, and then after you finish, you'll be like, I'm better than you. I'm better, even though we.
Where's that 3-inch one?
Can you explain what you're doing right now, Colin?
Spreading the exhaust hanger, because this is for a 2.5-inch exhaust. I mean, it doesn't fit now, it's spread. But trying to get this hanger to go over this pipe to go up there. A little something like that. Yeah, that should work.
I was like, what is hot on my knee? Put it right on top of the fucking welder. Oh. Now we are tightening the hanger bolts. The hanger is fastened into the metal part of the bumper.
Reinforcement.
The bumper reinforcement. Okay, bitch.
Sounds way better.
BMW.